3. In this video, I'll show you how to request money with a Wise payment request link. First, open your web browser or the Wise app and sign into your account. Make sure your account is fully set up and verified if required. Next, go to the Request Money or Payment Request section, depending on the version of Wise you're using. Click Create Payment Request to start a new request. Now, enter the amount you want to receive and choose the currency. If needed, add a description or note so the payer knows what the payment is for. After that, review the request details and generate your payment request link. Wise will create a unique link that you can share with the person who needs to pay you. Next, send the payment request link by email, text message, or any messaging app. When the recipient opens the link, they'll be guided through the payment process using the available payment methods. Finally, monitor the status of your payment request from your Wise account. Once the payment has been completed, you'll receive a notification, and the funds will appear in your Wise account according to the processing time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to request money with a Wise payment request link. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.